Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to solve Chrome extensions not working or loading issue. Alright, let's begin. First, close all Chrome tasks. Click the search icon, type CMD and open it. In the command prompt, type taskkill/im chrome.exe/f and press enter. This will end all Chrome processes. Reopen Chrome and see if your extensions load properly. Next, clear cache and cookies. Open Chrome, click the three-dot menu, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time and hit Clear Data. This removes all stored cache and may fix the loading problem with extensions. Finally, restart Chrome once more and check your extensions. So that's basically how you can solve Chrome extensions not working or loading issue. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.